Hello guys, good morning from Portugal. Hola, bom dia. Tenho as nuvens raspadinhas, placard 10 anos. I have the new Portuguese €2 tickets. Okay? Placard 10 years in English. And lucky 7, sorte set. Vamos começar. Let's start with this crazy tripod. Okay, I have ticket number 10 to 14. Tenho o número 10 a 14. So small the ticket, guys. Matching symbol, okay? We're looking for futsal and baseball or what? Uh, okay, baseball. Ciclismo. Whatever, guys. Matching symbol, okay? Hi, I found a match. Woohoo, winner. Please don't give me €2. Where's that? Bola. Sure. There's no other than €2, okay? Ticket number 10 is a winner. €2 as expected. Is here. Not looking for Lord of mercy. Put Praia. Basketball, okay? Why do you talk about Praia when it's winter? No. 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 So this is not a winner. 11. Let's go to 12. Looking for. This is a play games in Portuguese, guys. I'm not familiar with. Polo Agua. And Futi Praia. Okay, these two symbols, guys. This ticket is not fun to scratch. Too much craziness going on. No, of course not. 12. Very small the ticket now. Portugal lottery try to save. Okay, what is this? Oh Lord, it's all about sports, guys. Oh, patins and futsal. Okay, matching symbol, guys. Ay, Lord, Zika. No. And no. I was looking for those male size, but they don't have, guys. Rugby and what's this? Who patins? Whatever is that? That matching symbol, guys. Okay. I hope this is a winner. Don't give me only €2 in 5 tickets. Oh Lord, this ticket is a joke, guys. No, no, and no. So I got only €2 out of 10, which is crazy. Okay, let's go to sortie set. Okay, lucky 7, guys, in English. 21, 14. 21. There must be 14. 14. Nothing? 14. Here. 53, 42. 53, 53, 42, 6, 47. 6, 47. And Portuguese numbers, guys. 26, 26, 36, 24. 24, 26, 34, 23. 34. 43 to win. 19. 12, 52. 12, 52. 8, 43. Ay, winner! Woohoo! 8. At least it's a winner, guys. 8, 43. 8. 2, 51. 2, 51. 'So only one win, I think. Or I miss numbers. I think it's only one win. How much? Oh Lord. Only €5? No, this is not €5. This is at least 10. I miss something. Is there dress? No. This is €10 win, guys. F. $46. Dress. There's dress? No dress. Oh Lord. Where's the €5 here? I think this one. 29. There's 29. 36. 36. This is a €10 win, guys. Okay, because I know this lottery code. Size 29, 29, 36, 36, 36, 52. Okay, so €10, guys. Not bad, guys. €10 win. And then the crazy placard is not advisable to buy. €2 out of €5 tickets. How much I spent? I spent 15. And then I got back 12. Not bad, guys. So, €3 donation. €3 donation to Portugal Lottery. Difficult to win in this placard. I watch videos from other channel. They don't get anything. Zero. All of them. I tried to find I tried to buy the, what's that called? 2026 tickets, but near to my house, they don't have it. They're very slow. Okay, but this is a winner, guys. So I got only €3 donation to Portugal Lottery, which is good. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao. So I check my tickets, guys. Ticket number 10 is a winner, €2. And then I found one more win on ticket number 13, €2, of course, as expected. So I got €14 out of 15. Gagné 14, gaste 15. €1 dosang para Santa Casa. €1 donation to Portugal Loteria. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.